and welcome to the second series of Architectural Gems of India. We are in the city of joy, Kolkata, and standing in front of this beautiful structure which is none other than National Library, Kolkata. National Library, Kolkata is an amalgamation of two libraries, Imperial Library and Calcutta Public Library. Established in 1836, Calcutta Public Library came in existence by then Governor General Lord Metcalfe, who transferred 4,675 volumes from the library of College of Fort William. These volumes and donation of books from individual form the nucleus of the library. Located directly south to the entrance of the zoo is the access road to National Library, Kolkata, that houses India's biggest collections of books and journals. Before independence, this building was official residence of Lieutenant Governor of Bengal. Like we mentioned in previous video, structures like this require restoration. National Library, Kolkata was restored in the year 2011 and 12 by architect Nilanjan Bhowal. Let's speak to the architect to get more insight.
So for restoration, actually my basic philosophy in architectural practice has been sustainability, and restoration and conservation is an extension of that sustainable lifestyle of mine. So whatever we design has to be environmentally appropriate, culturally, correct. So that's why we started doing conservation projects as well. So what we do is we do a chronological study of how the building evolved, how the different structures came together, the different styles. There's a neoclassical style, a bit of Greco-Romanesque also came in at certain periods. So the inside columns are Corinthian. So how all the different styles came in, and gradually how it was imbibed in the building structure. So, well, we are fortunate that we worked with all kind of materials. We've worked with brick, we've worked with wood, little bit of steel which came up in the later stages, mud, terracotta, stone of course, but those are easier. I think the most difficult material is terracotta. Reason being, it's no longer used so much. It's mud actually, clay, which is to be fired to a particular temperature. So it has to be done in a particular way, and the biggest challenge is we don't have many artisans in the country who are still doing that. The key is to give it back to the society. This building has always been a part of the history, culture and the social fabric of the city. Every building is. So I propose that all buildings have to be used. They might be reused in an adaptive way. Like for this building, National Library, what we proposed was it should become a big conference center, something like the scale of the India Habitat Center, so that all the spaces are reused. For example, this beautiful hall, which used to be used for banquets and ballets, is ideal for a conference or even a concert or even an art exhibition.
Renowned architects like Norman Foster and Zaha Hadid have moved their attention to four-wheeled way of life. Do you ever dream of designing a car?
Well, since you've asked, I am designing one, but it's not a posh or a high-tech concept car. It's been always a passion to have a mobile studio. I've always wanted to have a studio and take it to the place that I work. So I am in the process of designing a kind of a caravan that will be a working studio, where I can move my entire team. I can travel with them, say, stay in Kolkata, work here for a month, then go off to Goa. We have a site in Kashmir. So I want to travel.
The series Architectural Gems of India is in association with Hyundai Motors. To know what we are driving today, we have Sarmat from Car India magazine.
Since we've come to a special city like Calcutta, we thought we should have a car that does justice to the city. So we have the really good looking Hyundai Elite i20. We did a little bit of research. We talked about where we are going, since we all know that Calcutta was the capital of India for close to about 100 years, so over 100 years. And in that little span of time, it left a great impact to the country in terms of art, culture and heritage sites like this one.
Yes.
So we thought we should pick a car that does equal, that has given that kind of impact, that has carved a niche for itself in a short span of time. And so we thought of Hyundai i20.
Hyundai, I feel, is a great value for money car. It is everything that is there, and to the extent that my wife also drives a Hyundai, and because I feel very comfortable. It's safe, secure, it has pretty much all the features.
I think overall we made a decent choice by going with something like the Hyundai i20. It's a compact car in size, yet the interiors are spacious and comfortable. The steering is light, the clutch is light, so whenever you have to park in a tight spot in a narrow lane or taking it out of a parking spot, it's really easy, it feels like a breeze. And then the motor is powerful enough even on open roads and highways, so it has that punch that you need. So overall, we couldn't have done better than this.
We have come to an end of second series of Architectural Gems of India, but we promise to come back with a new heritage site soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.